Hello and welcome. In this short lesson, you'll learn how to quickly correct mistakes in Microsoft Word using undo and redo. Whenever you make a mistake, like accidentally deleting text, applying the wrong formatting, or making any unwanted change, you can reverse it right away. To undo your last action, click the Undo button in the top left corner of the Word window. It looks like a curved arrow pointing left. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac. Each click of the Undo button or each press of the shortcut reverses the last action one step at a time. Keep pressing or clicking to move back through several recent changes. If you want to jump back several steps at once, click the small drop-down arrow next to the Undo button and choose the point you want to return to. Now, let's say you undo something but then realize you actually wanted to keep it. That's where redo comes in. Click the Redo button, which sits right next to Undo, and looks like a curved arrow pointing right. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Y on Windows or Command+Y on a Mac to restore the action you just undid. Just like undo, you can keep clicking redo or pressing the shortcut to bring back multiple actions in sequence. Here's a quick example. If you delete a paragraph by mistake, press Ctrl+Z once to bring it back. If you then decide you did want to remove it after all, press Ctrl+Y to redo the deletion. That's it for this lesson. Practice using undo and redo a few times, and soon these shortcuts will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.